What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 4/8/2016. We are doing our 2015 Flawless Hit Draft number 1. The random 4 spots was done in a separate video. Here's the order we got. Kent B, Zach B, Niner G, Ryu N, Josh P, Ryu N, Zach B, Tom C, Jeremy A, and Josh P. Yep, I know the view's on Google Docs. I'm showing the draft order right now. So we're going to open up the case since I'm picking for Kent B because he's not here. Zach B picked the top case to do since he had pick number 2. So let's get right to it. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Like I said, I have not seen any of this. Have not seen any of it. Hoping for the best. Looks like the cases are black this year. The cases are black. Or blue or some dark color. Alright, so Zach wanted the top one, which would be the bottom when they flipped out. Put that one for the next hit draft. Put that one for the next hit draft. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Good luck. Good luck. All right, I am good. Here we go. Here we go. I know the far distance is a little blurry. That's so we can have a good view on the cards here. La la la. Case coming out. There she is. Black. A black beauty here. All right. Now I'm going to do my best not to expose. I'll actually pull up a little. To not expose the encased cards. Alright, pull the camera up a little. Ooh, wow. All right. Beautiful cards coming out. Very nice. Let's take a look here, guys. Okay. Coming out. First card. 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. Brashard Perryman. Dual patches. One from Central Florida. What's going on, dog? It's Jason breaking tonight. And one from Baltimore. 1 of 10. Brashard Perryman. So that's our first one. Our next hit. Jonathan Stewart. 18 out of 20. Patch card. So let me do it this way. It'll work better this way if I encase as we go here. At least get them in a folder. In a holder, I mean. All right, there's one. The Perryman is next. Okay, next. What do we got here? Sick-looking patch auto of Kenny Stills. Kenny Stills patch auto. That patch is exploding. Patch is exploding out of the card. Kenny Stills right there. Kenny Stills. Next is a little Vet Love. Little Vet Love coming out next. We've got Team Panini Dan Hampton. Dan Hampton on card auto from the Bears. Dan Hampton. Next card is a pretty cool looking card. Next one's a pretty cool looking card. And I'll do a recap after we're done, before we do our picks. We've got Dorial Green Beckham, 9 out of 10. That's pretty cool looking. Progressions Signatures. Pretty neat. Pretty neat concept there. 9 out of 10. No coupon codes. Your loyalty discount, which you should have about 12.5% off, Curdog. You should have 12.5% off, I think, based on what you bought last month. All those drafts you bought last month, you should be up high on the discount. Next, Vet Love again. Andre Reed on card auto. 9 out of 25. Andre Reed, Hall of Fame on card auto. But it won't work on the loyalty program, doesn't work on the hit draft. But it will work on the team styles. And how about this? Mean Joe Green, 15 out of 15 auto. Red parallel, very nice. You also get a can of Coke. And he tosses you his jersey. Now, for the encased hits. And I will move this flawless case out of the way. The flawless case will move out of the way. Just give me a second here. Okay. All right, encased hits. We've got Diamond, 12 out of 20, Alfred Morris Diamond. Alfred Morris Diamond, 12 out of 20. Okay. Put these here in cases. Encase this one. And encase this one. Just makes it easier later when I'm essentially taking care of the draft itself. Okay, next. Philip Dorsett, 14 out of 15, Ruby parallel. Philip Dorsett, rookie, 14 out of 15, Ruby parallel. And last but not least, check that out. Emerald, 5 out of 5, Peyton Manning. Emerald, 5 out of 5, Peyton Manning. All right, little recap before we start doing the draft itself. We've got Mean Joe Green, 15 out of 15. We've got Andre Reed, 9 out of 25. Hall of Fame card. Progression Signatures, 9 out of 10. Dorial Green Beckham. Dan Hampton, auto, 14 out of 25. Team Panini. Flawless Patch auto of Kenny Stills, 11 out of 25. Patch card Jonathan Stewart, 18 out of 20. Patch card Bashard Perryman, 1 out of 10. UCF and Baltimore. Diamond card, 12 out of 20 of Alfred Morris. Ruby parallel, 14 out of 15. Philip Dorsett, and again, the Peyton Manning. And again, the Peyton Manning. Coming out in case. Beautiful card there. All right, so Kent B has the first pick, and I'm obviously picking for him. I'm going to take the Peyton Manning. I'm going to take the Peyton Manning for Kent B. So Kent B is getting that one. Which means up next is Zach B. If there's anything you want to see or have me show again or a question about, let me know. But Zach, it is your pick, my friend. So Zach B, it is your pick. I mean, that's up to you. The diamonds and the rubies sell well, but it depends what you're feeling. You'll take the Morris? Okay. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. Alfred Morris going to Zach B. Okay, Niner, you are up. Niner, you are up. Ruby Dorsett is yours, my friend. Ruby Dorsett. All right, that's going to Niner Gnome. All right, after Niner, Ryo. If I'm saying that right, if I'm not, I apologize. You got it, my friend. Thank you. All right, you got it. Very nice pick right there. Very nice pick. 4th pick. That's a pretty nice pick. Pretty nice pick for the 4th pick overall. Next up, let me see, I have it blocked. Next up, Josh P. is not here. So I'll be picking for Josh P. And let me see here. Let me get Ryu stuff in a holder for him. Do this here. And for Josh P., I'm going to take this Kenny Stills since he's a Miami fan. I'm going to take the Kenny Stills off the board. Kenny Stills off the board. Going to Josh P. There you go, Josh. Okay, Ryu, you're up again. Ryu, you're up again. The first pick was a Peyton Manning auto patch 5 out of 5. Went to Kent B. If there's anything you want to see, Bronco, Jag. No problemo. Ryo, it is you again, my friend. If there's something you want to see, just let me know. We've got a team break still on site, getting down to the low teens. We still have another hit draft. Reed Otto out of 25. Nice pick. Very nice pick. Reed Otto out of 25. Gone. The Reed Otto out of 25 is now gone. All right. Zach B., it's on you now. Zach B., on you again. Show the cards again. You got it. You have left a Jonathan Stewart patch out of 20. So Jonathan Stewart patch, 3-color patch out of 20. Bashard Perryman patch, UCF and Baltimore, dual patch, 1 out of 10. Dorial Green Beckham, 9 out of 10. And Dan Hampton, auto out of 25. Dan Hampton, auto out of 25. Dorial Green Beckham out of 10. Very nice pick at this late in the game. All right, Zach. So next up is Tom C. Tom C is up. I do not see Tom C in the chat. Do not see Tom C in the chat. So for Tom C, All right. For Tom C., I will take the Dan Hampton auto. The Dan Hampton auto is going to go to Tom C. All right, Jeremy, do you want the Bashard Perryman patch or do you want the Jonathan Stewart patch? Team break 2 is tomorrow. Yep, because Kev has 1 case and I have 2 cases. So the hit draft and number 1 is on today and number 2 is on for tomorrow. Our schedule is always on our website. The Duel, nice pick. 1 out of 10, very sick looking card there. You'll see it better when you get it there, Jeremy. All right, so that's Jeremy's pick. And last but not least, Josh is going to pick up. All right. Josh is going to pick up that Jonathan Stewart patch 220. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thank you for filling it. We'll get them shipped out to you by Monday. Thanks a lot.